Do you ever feel like airlines are playing games with us? Like they know exactly how to squeeze every penny out of us. And the wild part? Most people just shrug and pay up. Not me. Nope. I've been digging, testing, and gossiping with insiders. And let me tell you, once you know how they play this game, you'll never travel the same way again. So today I'm spilling the tea. Airline secrets, packing tricks, even sneaky ways around security lines. Think of this as our little gossip session before your next trip. How about that? And by the end of this video, I've got something for you that ties it all together. But first, let's start where the airlines try to get you the hardest: booking your ticket. Okay, here's the first dirty little secret. The price you see for your flight isn't random. It's literally based on what the airline thinks you'll pay. Creepy, right? I tested this once, New York to Miami. Morning price $312. By dinner $198. Next day, boom, $374. Same flight, same seat, different number. They're watching your search history, your cookies, even your zip code. Pro tip: clear the cookies, go incognito, or better yet, use a VPN and set it to a lower income country. You'd be shocked at the difference. Oh, and don't get me started on days of the week. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays are the sweet spot. Friday? Sunday? You're basically donating money to the airline gods, if you ask me. Now let's talk about bags. Because airlines love those baggage fees. It's how they make their billions of dollars. But guess what? You don't have to play that game. You want to hear my favorite hack? The pillow trick. Yep. Take an empty pillowcase, stuff it with clothes, walk on board that airplane, and suddenly you've got a comfort item that's not a carry on. I've literally boarded with half a wardrobe in one of those. And here's one I learned the hard way: always weigh your bag at home. My airline scale once said I was 2 pounds over. Guess what? Their scale at the airport was wrong. But did I argue? Nope. I paid the darn $75. But never again. Now I check at home, and if I'm close, I layer up with Joey, like Joey from Friends TV show. Don't judge me, please. I have to find ways to outsmart these vultures. Sorry, I'm still upset from that last experience. So I'm just venting. Oh, and roll your clothes. Don't fold them. You'll fit 30% more in this space. It's science, or is it witchcraft? Either way, it works. You know the worst part of airports? Security. Those lines? But here's the hack nobody talks about. Never, ever get behind families with strollers. Don't get me wrong, I love families, but listen, babies, juice boxes, formulas, strollers, shoes, chaos. Instead, business travelers, get behind them. They've got their laptop in their hand, shoes that slip off easy, nothing in their pockets. Fastest lane every time. And lounges? Everyone thinks you need elite status. No. I once got into a lounge for $25 through an app, had unlimited food, Wi Fi, and even a shower. Meanwhile, people outside were paying $18 for a sad sandwich. Who's the sucker now? And then there's overbooking. Airlines oversell 2 to 3% of seats, betting some people won't show up. When they guess wrong, they start begging for volunteers to switch their flights. Here's the secret: wait. Don't take the first offer. I had a friend. First, they offered $250, then $600. By the time boarding closed, $1,200 hotel, food, voucher, and a seat upgrade the next day. She basically got paid to take a mini vacation. How about that? Do you want to know what's coming next? Airlines are already testing biometric boarding. Yes, your face becomes your boarding pass. Sounds cool until you realize, yep, they're tracking you even more. I said it. I said it. Also, AI copilots are coming. That's the future. We're basically flying with robots now. Oh, and in Scandinavia, they're already testing short haul electric planes. Imagine no jet fuel smell, just quiet skies. By 2030, you'll blink at a scanner and hop on a hydrogen jet, and your luggage will probably follow you home by drone or get lost in space. Who knows? So, listen, I just dumped a bunch of hacks on you. But here's the thing, I've only scratched the surface. That's why I put together something I wish I had years ago. And it's called the Airline Secrets 2025 Travel Bundle. Everything is serious in there. It's not just an ebook, it's a full toolkit that you should never travel without. You get the ebook, it's packed with these secrets and more, and way more juicy ones I didn't spill here. A printable packing checklist so you never get hit with surprise fees. And my favorite, the 2025-2026 travel planner. It's got calendars, itineraries, packing lists, budgeting pages, even space to journal your trips. It's like a bundle by itself. Basically, it keeps your entire travel life organized, and that's what you want. And the best part, it's only $14.99. One hack in here, in that book, can save you $200 on a single flight. That's like buying an airport coffee and magically getting $500 back. It's worth it. So, next time you're booking a flight, rolling your clothes into a pillowcase, or skipping ahead of a family with 19 juice boxes, just think of me. And if you want the full playbook, the bundle's linked below in the description. Grab it before your next trip and thank me when you're sipping free lounge cocktails. I'm serious. It's the only bundle you will need for your next trip. So go grab it right now. I hope you found some value from this video. I know I'm a fun person, and that's who I am. And if you found value, please hit that like, subscribe button, and the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming video titled Hidden Travel Hacks. Skip checked bags with smart personal item packing. You won't want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching, and have a safe flight in your next trip, my friend. Oh, and please don't tell the airlines. I told you all of this secret. It's our little secret. Okay? See you in the next video. Take care now, and thanks for watching.